Today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price, and you already see it in the title. The last 24 hours are ticking for Bitcoin. And guys, I really mean it. This is something for the history books. I will talk about Bitcoin and about Ethereum. Obviously, I am going to show you my trades, which are completely exploding, just as your trades. I saw the comment section. People are screaming thank you and everything. I am very happy to see your gains, guys. But now let's focus on what's next for Bitcoin and Ethereum, because something crazy is going to happen towards the end of Sunday. So make sure you watch this video before the end of Sunday, obviously. Let's go into the charts and talk about what price targets I'm looking out for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And actually, I want to start with Bitcoin before I go into Ethereum, and then I will show you my trades, my price targets, and my expectations for Bitcoin and Ethereum in the immediate short term. Let's go into the chart. I do want to start here on the daily candles for Bitcoin, and you can see here this amazing run up we had from 9,000 to 60,000, then this massive rejection down, and we were forming this falling wedge here where we broke out. Actually, honestly, like I'm not getting tired to say that, exactly as I predicted. I was telling you for weeks and weeks that I expect 28,800 as the bottom for Bitcoin. And let me go back, guys. Every one of you, go down in the comment section if you remember this, and leave it down below if I told you so. And I know that most of you guys were on my side here, and so far it seems like 28,800 was the bottom for Bitcoin. We broke out and we hit my price target at 42,000 US dollars. And I was actually telling you also, let me quickly go back here to Twitter, on the 24th of July, the price target is 42,000, the top of the wedge. Yesterday we hit the price target. Congratulations to everyone who joined me on this specific trade. Price target hit, and now the question is, what is the next one? Well, first of all, I want to remain here on the daily candles. And if I'm pulling out the Fibonacci extension of this from the bottom to the top, sometimes it's as easy as that. And by the way, guys, before I'm talking about the price target, just look at the beautiful nature here where I'm sitting. I am here right now in the middle of Ibiza. I found myself a beautiful garden where I can make this video in perfect harmony, obviously focusing on the Bitcoin price and my predictions. Just wanted to give you a little bit of this peaceful neighborhood here before we are going back into the charts. So now zooming in, you can see first price target is hit, but you know the deal. In bull trends, and this might be the start of the bull trend. Obviously still can be a dead cat bounce, but we hit my price target here, right? So the next price target would be the 50% Fibonacci extension level, 46,700, respectively 47,000 US dollars. The next price target is a little bit higher, 51 to 52,000 US dollars. How to handle this? Well, let me go over into my chart here actually, and you can see my trade on Bitcoin on the top, 830,000 US dollars in profits. I did put in 5.4 million US dollars in contract size. As you can see, the upper trade here on the right hand side, $830,000 in profits. So number one, what to do if you are in a trade right now? Obviously at 42,000 you can already take some partial profits. Then you should scale out as we are going higher. Remember, we are scaling out in Bitcoin. Taking profits in Bitcoin in a bull trend is perfect psychologically, because the Bitcoin you are taking, if Bitcoin is going higher, you are not really missing out. You are still making profits on Bitcoin, and if we go lower, you still remain those Bitcoin in your holding portfolio, because eventually our goal is to accumulate as many Bitcoin as possible. So make sure you are taking profits on the way up. If you are standing on the sidelines, obviously I am going to update you about my next trade. But here a big shout out to everyone. Yesterday people on Twitter were complaining, Chris, why are you not uploading a video? 1.5 hours I was uploading after I was uploading a video. Go down below, press the subscription button, press the bell, and press on all, because only then you can make sure that you are going to get notified when I am uploading the next video. Only then you can make sure that you are not a slave to the YouTube algorithm, that YouTube is deciding what you want to see. You want to decide. So press the bell and press on all to make sure to watch, to get all the content here. And well, this is the first one. Obviously, if we are now decisively breaking 42,000 and you are standing on the sidelines, you can, and please only on low leverage, enter a new trade here and then still scale out at our second and third price target. But this is definitely a more risky one. Now let me go over back into the Ethereum price, because you know the deal. Ethereum is going wide right now, and this is what we've been waiting for. This is what I've been predicting. We are still remaining here on the daily candles for Ethereum, and stick here with me until the very end. I want to show you why the last 20 24 hours are ticking right now. First of all, you can see Ethereum, we broke out of the W. This is a decisive breakout with a daily close outside. So the likelihood is high that we are going up to my price target. I mean, obviously not 100% likelihood, but we have a high likelihood. So entering a trade just as I did it could be a good idea here, but please hedge your bets, only bet what, only trade what you are willing to lose. This is a 28% potential return at a 10x leverage. I have a 14x leverage, very risky obviously, so please hedge your bets. This is like a 300-400% gain here potentially on Ethereum. And before I'm going back to why actually, and by the way, we have a second price target here as well, and this is the golden pocket at 3,300, of course, which you can see all the way up here. And I really like to take the Fibonacci extension levels, the 50% and the golden pocket. Whenever we had a long retracement, they are very, very accurate from the bottom to the high. A very, very nice price target here to look out for. This is not something for tomorrow. This might take some time. We will shop around until then, so please be a little bit careful here, and also maybe plan some waiting time in. But now I wanted to talk about why the last 24 hours are ticking. Before I'm doing so, I wanted to remind you, I mean, I'm having here my Bitcoin trade open, $5.4 million US. I scaled another $1 million in yesterday directly after the video. You know, I put my money where my mouth is, and here you can see the Ethereum trade, also $42,000 in contract size, 100 times smaller than my Bitcoin trade. If you do wanna trade as well, if you want to take advantage of the upcoming volatility as well, well, you know that Binance is cracking down in Europe. We have some alternatives for you, and actually the highest bonuses over on YouTube. If I am going over here into the pinned comment section, you will find $3,500 US in free bonuses. On Bybit alone, $1,600 US. And stick here with me, guys. I want to show you something why I'm saying the last 24 hours are ticking for Bitcoin and for Ethereum, by the way, as well. What I want to talk about is that this bonus I am having in the pinned comment down below. If you click the bonus links, you can make your own account with our links in the video description and the pinned comment. Clicking the link, step number 1, then you make your own account. Takes like 12, 13 seconds, 14 seconds. After your initial deposit, you get this bonus for free, accumulated $3,500. At a 30x leverage, we are talking about a $100,000 US trade for free by leaving your money on the sidelines, trading only with the bonus. And then if you make profits with this trade, you can withdraw these profits in Bitcoin, obviously without the bonus, and add them to your holding portfolio. Make sure you take advantage of that as long as you can, because it is for limited time. And now I want to go over here into the Bitcoin chart, back into the Bitcoin chart, and tell you why I am saying that the last hours are ticking, that the last 24 hours are ticking for Bitcoin. And for this, dear ladies and gentlemen, I am going over into, just a second, I'm going over into the weekly candles, for Bitcoin. And if I am, wow, it's windy. If I'm going over into the weekly candles and then enabling the EMA ribbon, I was talking about that yesterday, but this is just the first thing, guys. This is not everything I want to talk about. You can see that now Bitcoin is trading above. So number 1, within 24 hours, we will close the weekly candle. We will close outside. Watch the video from yesterday if you want to know what that means. The last time we closed above, and it's actually every single time, with one exception in 11 years here, which was last year, we closed above. Well, we rose a 6x. The time before, we rose like a 64x. So we can expect a significant pump if we are finally closing above the 21-week EMA, closing above the EMA ribbon. But more importantly, guys, this is something I want to talk about on the weekly candles, on the daily candles, sorry. This here, ladies and gentlemen, let me go over to the daily candles. What I am talking about is that within, let's call it 2-3 weeks, we will see, if Bitcoin continues to go up, a golden cross. A golden cross is literally imminent here within the next 2 weeks. And if we are seeing a golden cross, this will put more gunpowder here into the fire. This will confirm furthermore that we can probably potentially expect more further upwards momentum for the next few months here towards the end of the year. Call it a bull market, right? These things are solidifying right now. Sunday will be the first check mark for us closing above the EMA ribbon. Let me know right now what you think about it. And by the way, guys, if you want to get these updates in absolute real time, Go over to my Twitter at MMCrypto and follow me over on at MMCrypto. You would have seen on the 24th of July already that I was predicting the price target of 42,000 when we were still at 33,000. I mean 32,000 or so. People were literally laughing into my face on social media. Go over, follow me over there, smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Let's hit 10,000 likes on that video. I know you can do it, guys. I think yesterday's video got like 7,000, the one before 8, the one before 10. So come on, let's get back to 10. I would really appreciate it as well. Thank you so much for watching until the very end, guys. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button, making noise for the algorithm. I truly appreciate it. Very beautiful here. I'm gonna go back here now to my table. I'm eating some lunch over there, but obviously when I see something unfolding in the charts, you know I'm here for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other in the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye bye.